Being out and about on our waterways is part of life in Australia. Everyone loves to get out and spend time on the ocean. However, picking up rubbish and making sure the environment's going to be there for years to come is everyone's responsibility. What we don't often see is what gets accumulated under the water. So today we're going to head out to the Gold Coast Seaway, we're going to throw our scuba gear on and go and clean up what's under the waves to make sure that the marine life and the environment is as healthy as possible. While it might seem like a daunting task to pick up the amount of rubbish that end up in our waterways every year, everyone can do their part. By just picking up a few pieces of rubbish every time you go down into the waterways, it'll make sure the environment is here for everyone to enjoy in the future. Every month I try to dedicate at least one day to just cleaning up our environment, whether it's above the water or below. Every part makes a difference and I encourage you all to do the same.
Wind in my hair, sun on my face. I set off for a journey, ain't no time to waste. Feeling high, feeling free, no destination inside. Just me and my dreams, gonna chase them all night. Cities and mountains, I'm a wanderlust soul. On the open road, gonna let my heart unfold. The rhythm of the highway, the beat of my heart. I'm the king of the world, can't tear me apart. Gonna keep on moving, keep on grooving. Through the ups and downs, keep on proving that nothing can stop me. I'm in control.
What a super productive morning on the water. I've been lucky enough to be guided by Sophie from Dive on the Gold Coast, who put us straight onto where all the rubbish is in the seaway. And just in a few hours out there, we managed to get ourselves a huge catch bag full of rubbish. Everything from beer bottles, sinkers, fishing line, and even a kitchen tile. Just remember to do your part where you can. Pick up what you see, doesn't matter if it's yours or not, put it in the bin. One of the most important things we need to focus on is stopping the rubbish getting into the water in the first place. Everyone can do their part. If you've got a bucket or a bag, just pick up a few pieces every time you go down to the ocean side. That's doing your part to keep the marine environment healthy. Just make sure you keep your eyes peeled though. Sometimes you don't see the rubbish, it's right in front of you. Plant pots, chip wrappers, even cigarette butts, all common finds on beaches all around Australia. We want to keep our ocean clean, we want to keep our beaches clean. Even just a half an hour walk by the seaside can mean a half a bucket of rubbish that doesn't end up in the water. Do your part, put the rubbish in the bin, doesn't matter if it's yours or not. And if you're lucky enough, there'll even be a bin to put it in. So whether you're on the land, on the beach, or under the waves, we can all do our part to look after our waterways. If we look after it today, it'll be here tomorrow for everyone to enjoy.